Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you a few things that we got in new now. This is new, but they didn't send me my full shipment, so right now it's showing sold out because someone grabbed them as soon as they were loaded up. But I have more coming. They should be here by Monday at the latest. Plus, I have the ephemera packs, the journal cards, and the solid paper, or kind of solid paper that goes with it. It's called background paper. So, and I'm going to make some kits for all of the pieces, and then I'll discount them really low. So watch for that on the website. But this is Graphic 45's new Hip Hip Hooray collection. And I think these little mouths are so cute. I would cut that out and use it definitely as a card. You know me, and I'd cut all these out. I don't waste anything. But look how cute. Look at these postcards. I mean, this is, look at that. And this, they have changed their paper. Their paper is not as heavy as it used to be. This is not a heavy cardstock. So therefore, this would fold well if you wanted to make a journal out of it. You would have no issues with that whatsoever. Look at all these stamps. Oh my goodness. I just love it. I love the greens. It is so cute. Look at that. See, that would fold so pretty. You could fold it either way and make you a little journal out of it. Isn't that pretty? There is that. You get two of each design. Look at this. I love that right there. I would cut that and let that be a page in my journal. That's just so cute. And then these could be little borders for your pages. I mean, I've got all kinds of ideas for this collection. Now I just got to get one. Get that. That is so pretty. This blue is, ooh, I love that color blue. I don't know what exactly that is, but that's pretty. Oh, look at these little journal cards. And these that with the little rabbits and bears. Oh, that's cute. You could even cut some of these out if you wanted to and use them on your tags and pockets and things. I mean, there's so much you could do with this collection. Look at that. That would be a beautiful cover. I love it. And like I said, I do have more coming, and I will put them together in a kit and discount them. So instead of you having to buy, one thing at a time, you can buy the full kit and then get it a lot cheaper. We did get in more of the pink pearls. These are flat back pearls, and they're adhesive. So this is good for Easter that's coming up. And then we got in more of the latches, the Tim Holtz latches. No, these are not Tim Holtz. These are Prima latches. These sold out in a hurry not too long ago, so we got more. And I'll be making a journal not too far in the future where I'll be using some of these latches. So if you want to know how they're used, just hang on. Okay, this is the Memory Place Kawaii Paper Goods, K-A-W-A-I-I, Kawaii Paper Goods, Peter's Garden. I fell in love with this one when I saw the little bitty picture about this big, and I haven't seen the full collection yet. So let me get this open, and that paper just tore, so I'll have to get another bag to put it in. Oh, I tore all pieces. We'll just throw it away and get another bag. Okay. So again, Memory Place 12 by 12 collection. It contains 12 double-sided papers, or 30.5 centimeters by 30.5 centimeters, 2 of each design. And there's lots on this front that you could use too. You could even cut that out and use it. Look. Look. I just love it. I love this duck. Oh. Hello there. Oh my goodness. And look at the back. And this again could be folded and made into a journal. It's not really, really thick paper. It's very pretty. So there's 2 pages of each design. So I'm going to grab 2 at a time if I can. That's pretty too. Ooh, look at that. That's a pretty color. And look at these. These would make a, like if you're making a 6x6 journal, there's your front covers right there. Or you could use the 6x6 envelopes and use these to cover them with. I mean, there's potential is out there. They're pretty. There's the back, so they can be written on if you want. And look at this. Memory Place has really come a long way, and they're starting to bombard the market, so watch out for them. I've got a feeling they're going to be big time here before long. And their prices are not that bad for everything that you get. Ooh, look at these. Look at those borders. And tack the little nameplates. I'm loving that. I'm loving that. And this is pretty too. Oh, look, like a quilted pattern. It even got the fake, I can't talk, fake stitching, faux stitching on there. Pretty. So there again is Memory Place. We have a pretty good selection of this right now. I have more coming, so you can grab that if you want. I'm going to put that right there. And then we have the Memory Place. Let's see. That's Lavender Love. Now I don't have, they didn't send me the Lavender Love. All they sent me was the journal cards. So I've got some paper coming to go with those. So let me lay those aside for a minute. This is the Origami paper that goes with Memory Place, Peter's Garden. And here again, this is tearing all to pieces, and I don't think I've got another little bag this size. These bags are really cheap, but thank goodness the paper's not. So it's 4 designs, 6 sheets, 150 millimeters. Millimeters. Ooh, look at that. See, it's origami paper. It's almost like washi. Not washi, but it's almost like, what is it? Vellum, kind of. It's very thin. I guess a lot of you know what origami paper is. And it's in the same designs that's in the collection, of course. I'm just going to flip through like this because I don't want to tear any of these. I don't know how fragile they are, but I've never worked with origami paper, so I'm looking forward to working with this a little bit. Now I'm going to see if I can put this back in this torn package until I can look and see if I've got anything that's going to be the right size to put this in, and I kind of doubt it. Okay, we got that back in there. I don't know. I'm going to have to tape it up. And then these are the Peter's Garden journal cards. Please don't tear all the pieces. Please don't. These are cute. So they're little journal cards that you can put in pockets of the journals, or you could even send these out to your friends. They're really pretty. So they're landscape and portrait design, so go either way. Delightful. It's got his carrots. Okay, and there are, let's see if 20 pieces in here. So you've got 10 of each. 10 landscape and 10 portrait, looks like there. Then we also got in more of the purple and pink, just in time for Easter of the paper doilies. So these will be fun to play with. And look at that. And I think we have some purple dots, as my daughter calls them. So I got some of those in again. And then we got these back in. We had these before. They sold out in a hurry. We got more in. These are the Tim Holtz postmarked sticker book. So they're stickers, but they're postmarks or postage stamps. So we got those back in, and they have got a ton. All colors. There's some of each color in here. There's the blue, more green, kind of a tealish green, purple, brown, and kind of a, I don't know, sepia maybe, I don't know. And then you've got some blank ones that you can stamp and make your own, and they're perforated, so you can just cut them out. So that is the Tim Holtz postmarked. They're in the store. It's 288 stickers in here. So if you want one of those, grab it, because they normally don't last long. Now, I've got 3 boxes of these left. These are the Lisa Horton embossing folders. And some people said they wanted them, and I got them, and then nobody has picked them up. So if you want them, I need to sell these. There's 3 boxes of them. They come in that box, and there's 12 embossing folders in here. And let me show you. I've shown these before, but let me figure out how this opens. I'm not going to open every one, but I just wanted to show you. Like this one is December. And it's the December flowers, I guess you could call it. So I don't know how well. Let's see. Let me put this paper in here. Well, you can see that. That doesn't work either, does it? Let's find a dark piece of paper. I don't even think I have any dark paper right here. Let's see if that works. Does that work? Yeah, you can see a little bit like that. Not much, but anyway. This is the December one, and each one, what it is, I think it's the flowers of the month, basically. And I have discounted these almost to half price. They were $134, I think, for the set, and I think I have them for like $84 or something. So there's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and then December. So if you want these, grab them now. Like I said, I have 3 sets, and that's going to be all. She has discontinued these already, so they're not even going to be available anymore. They were a limited. I'm just going to put these in the box. I'm not going to worry about putting them in there. They're already wrapped. They were a limited collection, so she only made a certain amount, and that's it. And once they're gone, they're gone. So I have 3 sets. If you want them, please pick them up, because I do need to sell them. Now, if I don't sell them in sets, I can break them up, but I don't know if anybody would want them broken up, because they're made for a set. But anyway, have 3 of those, and then we will have the paper coming in for this collection, and this is called Lavender. And let's see. Lavender. It's also by Memory Place. So we'll have the paper and the origami coming in for this too. It just didn't come in this week. Everything that I ordered, I only got like half of what I ordered. So, but I wanted to show you that, and I have my journal up for sale. I know I said I wasn't going to, but I'm finding out that right now, with our sales down like they are, I need the money out of this more than I need this journal. But this is the one, the Starlight Journal that I put together, and everything is finished on it except just some a few things here and there. But see, like the back of this, but all the paper and everything that you need to finish it with will come with the kit. So it's going to be everything that you need to finish it and the kit itself. Now, I didn't sign the back of it, or I didn't put my little thing on the back. If you want me to, let me know, and if you don't, that's fine too. You can claim that you made it for all I care. I don't care. But anyway, I've got this up in the store. There's only one. If you want it, grab it in a hurry. So, because like I said, finding out right now with things going on like they are, I need the money more than I do the journal. So that is it for now. When the other items get here, I'll show you. But right now, I'm going to sign off of here and start putting together more journals. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.